Hello, dear investors. With you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. A little further, we will look at each indicator in more detail. You can pause it if necessary. You can look at all the parameters of the corporation in question in detail. Now let's analyze the company's key fundamental indicators. DYNATRACE Incorporated, ticker DT. This review was created using current data as of July 10, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company DYNATRACE Inc. belongs to the subcategory Software Analytics. 17 organizations are participating in the analysis. We will review the decisions made at the end of this video. Overall score for the company, 8.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 3.7 points. If you look broadly, within the framework of the market in general, note that the average score for the entire market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the score of 8.5 points DYNATRACE Inc. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares DYNATRACE Incorporated and subcategory companies, we see that over 12 months the shares DYNATRACE Inc. showed a dynamics of 25.7%. Compared to the price dynamics for the subcategory by 279.7%. Market capitalization of the company DYNATRACE Inc. valued at $16.83 billion. With a market capitalization of $609 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is $2.61 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $53 billion. Comparing the shares of stock market and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Share DYNATRACE Incorporated in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 2.765%. The book value is 4.961%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under analysis has debt obligations of $0.078 billion. Financial liabilities to balance sheet capitalization amount to 3% of capital. The company's financial liabilities rating, very good, 2 points. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 34.8. Average for subcategory 0. Market value to earnings ratio compared to companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were $484 million. Profits for the next 12 months are projected to be $539 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 9.9. Average for the subcategory is 33.5. Assessment of the market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1.7 billion. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $1,870 million. Assessment of the indicator of expected future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 28.5%, with the average for the subcategory being -17.6%. Profitability assessment compared to subcategory indicators, good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of personnel numbers in the subcategory is 12.011%. This is 334% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $3,238,000, while for the subcategory it is $14,000 and $64,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The amount of profit per employee is $93,000. Average for the subcategory, minus negative $73.8 thousand. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's sales per employee is $327,000. Subcategory, $420,000. Evaluation of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. Shares for sale account for 2.1%, compared to the subcategory average of 3.9%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 60% for the company DYNATRACE Inc. Whereas for the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately equal to 59%. The actual valuation of the company's shares is approximately $56.20. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $63.25. Let's look at the table of orders, which is available to you. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all decisions previously made this season by the information and reference system for evaluating shares Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the assessment DYNATRACE Inc. Information and reference system for stock evaluation Guru.Markets, a decision is made. Open a buy order at $56.19 per share. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a fairly high rating and price dynamics. The organization was assessed using the Akeem's index assessment method. Take profit is set at 66.97. Stop loss is set at 45.41. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is fixed automatically at the end of the trading session on August 9, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker, MSTR, will be a countervailing sell order. The video on the balance transaction will be or has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the base or the balancing one, the opposite order is closed at the last price. Thank you all very much for watching to the end and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets.